Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a card game. First, you need to define your game's core concept and unique mechanics. Think about what makes your game stand out. Next, determine the number of players and the average game length you're aiming for. This helps shape the complexity. Finally, sketch out your initial card ideas and the overall game flow. This early planning is crucial for a solid foundation. Once your initial concept is solid, it's time to create a basic prototype. You can use simple materials like index cards or even digital tools. Next, conduct initial playtests with friends and family. Don't be afraid to show an unfinished product. Early feedback is invaluable. Gather all the feedback you receive and identify specific areas for improvement. This iterative process is key to refining your game. After several rounds of playtesting, you'll need to adjust your game mechanics based on the feedback. This might involve tweaking card values or changing how certain actions work. Simultaneously, start developing the visual style and card art. Consistency in design is important for player immersion. Finally, write a clear and concise rulebook. A well-written rulebook ensures players understand how to enjoy your game. With your game refined and artwork complete, consider your manufacturing options. You might look into print-on-demand services or traditional manufacturers depending on your scale. Next, plan your marketing strategy and identify your target audience. How will you reach potential players? Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Finally, prepare for launch and enjoy seeing your creation come to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.